कैसा महसूस हुआ इधर?
वो 64 माने बर' थुनलाइ आफादनि कनफारेन्सआवहाय जों जोबोद मोजां मोनबाय। बे कारणे बर' थुनलाइ आफादनि लिडार्स लिडार्सफ्रावनो आरो जोंनि जे मानगोनां स्पिकार बिश्वजित दैमारि सारनो गोबां हामबाय गोजोन्थों।
बबेनिफ्राय फैदों बे हाबा जिथु जथुम्मा सोलिगासिनो?
8 तारिखै फैबाय। जों बांलादेशनि बर' 30 जन बर' फैबाय, इनक्लुडिं कालचारेल पारफर्मेन्स, सिंगार, रोजाबनाय आरो मोसानाय आर्टिस्टफ्रा 30 जन फैबाय।
फार्स्ट टाइम नामा?
फोर्थ टाइम।
दा माबायदि मोनदों गोसोआव जितु बिराद गिदिर जथुम्मा सोलिगासिनो?
सरि, এই बर' थुनलाइ आफादनि प्रत्येकटा प्रग्राम आं फायो, सब समय बेलाय बेलाय गाहाम नाङो, जोबोद मोजां मोनबाय। এই कनफारेन्सआव मेइनलि जोंनि जे बर' रावनि डेभेलप खालामनो बागै जे कनफारेन्स सेसन खालामनानै दं, এই सेसनाव খুবই useful. For example, yesterday we attended some sessions on discussion and interaction with Nepal, delegates of Nepal, Delhi, India, Bangladesh, and Meghalaya. So, and we discuss about our language, how to develop our language, and how to unite us, all the Boros around the world, together through language. So, we actually agreed on that point. That actually we feel here safe. You see, just the day before yesterday, we went to Bogamati. So I asked, what does it mean? People said this is a white soil. Then I asked, why this is not in Bodo? In our Bangladeshi Bodo language, we call Ha Gufur. And I asked the Bodo people, they say Ha Gufur. Ha Gufur, and we say Ha Gufur. Almost Bogamati. And also the river, Daima, Daisa. And there are, I identified many similar things between us when we say about introduce Bazoy, Anoy, Amar, Afa, Agoy. So everything is similar. There are some difference in pronunciation. Say when we say Chumoy, you say Jumoy, right? We say Batsoy, you call Bazoy. So we understand. When we come here, we feel that this is our home. This is our home. We feel the same people. We belong to the same origin. So yesterday, when I was discussing in the session with the Prasanto sir also, we actually discussed about our history. We need to do research on our history, because we have so many similarities, but we introduce us differently. We introduce Tripura in Bangladesh, here Boro in Metsa in Nepal. Why this is the difference? And some other participants also discussed that actually Tripura is given by the British people. Our Tripuri people used to live at Koipra. Koipra is an intersection point of the three rivers. These people were called as Tripura. From Tripura to Tripura, then Tripura Sabha, then British people named us Tripura. But we don't call us Tripura. We used to introduce ourselves as Boro.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.